Oh, God, holy shit.
Hey, keep this edited, Dad. Don't fling it at me.
Oh, it's something. By a gigantic stingray.
Oh. How far away is it?
I don't know. God.
Jeez, you had that out.
Jeez, look at it. This damn rod don't even work.
Dad, you're reeling it.
Are you sure it's not?
In or out?
It's gotta be reeling in. Maybe it's not even bringing it in. I don't know.
You might be stuck on it.
Wait, am I pulling the boat, you think?
Oh, shit.
Oh, it is stinking. Well, look at the rod, John. Piece of
I
shit.
gotta get out of here.
Why?
I can see the ground.
Oh, that's seaweed.
It's the ground.
Oh, yeah, the ground is right there.
I don't think this rod's working.
Go towards where his rod is.
Well,
Go towards where his rod is.
Yeah.